Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Hotmail profile picture in just a few minutes. Whether it's for professional reasons or just a fresh new look, this guide will get you set up quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook login page. You can search for Outlook login or use a direct link if you have one. Once there, click on the Sign In button and enter your credentials. If it's your first time logging in on this device, you might see some security checks. Just follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Once you're inside your mailbox, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see either your current profile picture or a default icon. Click on it. And from the drop-down menu, select My Profile. This will take you to your profile page where all your account details are managed. Here's where the magic happens. On your profile page, find and click Change Photo. Depending on whether you're on the web or using the app, it might look a little different, but it should be easy to spot near your current picture. Next, you'll have the option to upload a photo or take a new one. If you already have a picture ready, select Upload Photo, browse your device, and pick the perfect shot. Most of the time, you'll also get a chance to crop or adjust your image to fit the profile dimensions. Take a moment to make sure it looks just right. Once you're happy with it, apply the changes. It might take a few minutes for your new picture to appear across all Microsoft services, so don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Hotmail profile picture. Keeping your online presence fresh has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other quick tips for more easy to follow guides.